As Singapore prepares to shut down its 3G network this year, let's explore the evolution of connectivity and its impact on enterprises. First up, 1G, which brought us the first mobile phones. Traveling salespeople could put in orders on the go and close deals faster. 1G also sped up decision-making in the field and made logistics smoother. 2G introduced text messaging and better call quality, boosting quick, secure communication and customer service. 3G brought mobile internet, video calls, and easier cross-border collaborations. Then came 4G, which gave us high-speed internet and streaming, enabling businesses to work on the go and deliver personalized services. Today, 5G is revolutionizing industries with ultra-fast speeds, low latency, and IoT connectivity. Think healthcare with remote surgeries, manufacturing with smart factories, and energy with smart grids. What's next? Experts predict 6G will enhance lives with ultra-low latency and unprecedented data rates, enabling real-time data analytics, immersive telepresence, and seamless automation across industries. Stay ahead of the game with Singtel's future-ready 5G solutions for growth and innovation in a hyper-connected world. Discover the future of connectivity today with us.